Hi everybody, Mike McConville here one more time. One more Les Paul. This one's an Epiphone. Same scale as the Gibson. For anyone who's wondering about a compensated nut, what it is and why you would put one on a Gibson Les Paul, here's the best test. Tune your Les Paul up, concert pitch with your tuner, and then do this. Strum G, D, C, and an E. Strum those four chords in that order and see if your guitar's in tune. So this one is intonated across the entire span of the neck, and this is another kind of litmus test for an intonation on any guitar, but especially the shorter scale guitars. In the first position, your garden variety C chord. Now I do have that G note on top, baby finger on the first string, and just slide it up to the 8th and 10th fret and play the open strings as well. And then the same chord. That's the 3rd and 5th fret, or a D chord. Diatonic 6ths and 10ths. This is a great way to check your intonation across the entire lay of the neck. And even when you get extended chords like a minor 9, and try it up here. Same chord, E minor 9. Or G minor 9. Here's C minor 9. C minor 9 here. So the idea is to regulate the guitar along the entire length of the neck, and that's exactly what we've done with this Epiphone Les Paul. One more Les Paul, perfectly tuned to concert pitch. Case closed.